Hey guys, today we are going to have the first lecture of HTML. So we should all know to write what is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is a programming language which is used to develop websites. It is mostly used in web development and it is one of the three most important languages we need to learn, including JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. These three are the most important topics we need to learn in web development. So let's get started. We can write an HTML code in any editor, text editor, but today we are going to use VS Code because it has all the extensions needed to run HTML codes. So to run an HTML code, we need to download the live server extension and we can start writing an HTML code. So let's get started. By typing this, we can get the boilerplate for the HTML code. This is the basic boilerplate. In this, doc type refers to the HTML type we are using. In this, doc type refers to HTML5, which will be the document type for this HTML boilerplate. Then there is HTML, which refers to the starting tag of our HTML, starting point of our HTML document or page. In this line equals to English means we are using the English language. We can change language according to your need. You can make it Hindi or any other languages you want by changing the en to the language prefix. So after that, there is the head tag. In HTML, anything inside the greater than sign and less than sign is called a tag. So, and an tag is used to write HTML codes. And a tag, a whole code with the starting tag and the ending tag is called an element. Like in this title, this whole is called an element. So as you can see, that's the thing you need to know. What is a tag and an element in an HTML code? So and this is the head part of our web page. Head means it contains the title and all the metadata for our web page. Anything written inside the head will not be displayed on the main web page, but it will be there like title. Title is used to write the title of the web page. The whole web page will have the same title. So these all are the contents of the head tag. And head tag always starts with an head and closes with the closing tag with a slash head. Now, next is the body tag. Body tag is all used. Body tag is mostly used for the creation of the web pages. All the elements or contents you see inside a website is always written inside the body tag. So we can see inside the body there are many things. Mostly you need to know about headings. Headings are used to write the heading for a web page. Like let's say heading 1. There are 6 heading types from 1 to 6. Let's see. These all are the headings. We can just open it with live server, which was an essential 3. These all are the headings for our web page. So you can just write heading with the h1 tag in your web page if you want to write any headings. So let's just comment this. You can comment it using slash greater less than sign and slash exclamation mark dash dash. So these are the headings. And now if you want to write, let's say if you want to write a paragraph, then we can use the paragraph tag or the p tag. In this is a heading. It allows us to write paragraph for any website. Let's just see. See, this is a heading. So it works like this. And if you want to break a line between the paragraph tag, then you can use the BR, or we can use it inside the paragraph tag. Let's use it here. And this is a break line. So now let's see. See, this is the next break. And now we want to know, we got to know about heading, paragraph, and PR. So now we will know how we can add an image to a web page. To add an image, we can use the img tag with the src. Now, I have already have an image called Anjaniya Jayasri JPG. This is the source from where we will get the image and an alternate tag. So this contains the image. We can also style the image with using the style keyword. Like we can give the width this much and the height around 350. So this will allow the image to be settled within. We don't need to close the img tag. Let's see. The image has come, but I think the style did not work. As if we have not put the px value in the height and the width. So pixel is a CSS thing which we will know after some our HTML course. So let us see. Now see, the image has reduced in size. So this is how you can add an image to the website. Now let us see something else. So if you want to add a video to a web page, we can add it using the video tag. Video is similar to image. We can use this and the alternate with the name. What we can say this as a Python recording one. Okay. Now we also want to say the type of the video. Video type is Our video type is MP4. So we have to just say this video and MP4. And now we can just have the width and the style for this video. Let's say 300 pixels. And height will be around 350 pixels. And we have to put controls. Controls will give the pause button, fast forward, and other controls for our video. And if the video does not work, let us say a message. This site does not support video type MP4. Now, let us just save this and see. Yeah, here the video has come. See, it's working just fine. And then we will just do a BR here, break line, so that the website looks a little bit more neat. See, or we can even give a heading here, H3, and this is a demo video. So let us save this and see. This is a demo video, and here these are all the controls. You get this using the control button which we have put here, controls. So this is how you can add your own video to the website. Now we got to learn about headings, paragraphs, break line, image, and how we can add a video to our website. Now we will know how to add a link to our website. Link will be like you can add any website with using the href tag, anchor tag. Anchor is mostly used. So let us go to Google and just let us get a google.com and copy this, and we can add it here. See, href, and we can just put an alternate for Google, and we can even put a button here, button which will help us go to Google. Go to Google. Now let us just save this once and go here. Go to our web page. And see, we got to go to Google, but let us use the BR tag once more so that it looks more neat. Yeah, see, here, go to Google and the Google opens. So this is how you can add someone else's website to your own website so that user can just go to the website from your website. This is how you can do that. Now we have got to know about the anchor tag or how we can add a web other website to our own web page. So now let us just start. Now, now we will know how we can add an YouTube video to our web page. To add an YouTube video, YouTube already provides its own iframe, its own embedded code, which we have to go to YouTube and get it from the video we want. Let us say I am using our own website, a YouTube page, just Infotex video. Let's say I'm using the Python lecture 3 for beginners. I'll go there, pause the video, and in the share button I'll click. And there I will see the embed. In this, we'll get the whole code. And we will just copy it and put it here where we want to put the code. And then we will use the BR to make it look more good. And we will go to the website and see here we have the video button with its own styling of the size and width. This plays just fine and everything works as you can see. As you can see here, they have provided the iframe tag. It is used to embed YouTube links to our website. You can see the styling, height and width with the source from where the video will be coming, with the title and the frame border 0. We can increase the frame border by anything. Let us say we want a 50 and we will just do 50 and we will see. See here, there's a border. So this is how we can add a border. Let's say we don't want a border. And then we have allowed accelerometer, autoplay, clipboard write, encrypt media, gyroscope, picture-in-picture, web share. These all are the YouTube controls which we have allowed. And refer policy is like course origin, which you will got to know in later videos. So, and allow full screen. And then we have to close the iframe. So this is how we can add a YouTube video to our own web page. So guys, that's it for today. And we will know more about HTML in our next video. In next video, we will talk about forms, buttons, how we can create a table in our web page, and how we can add radio buttons, and how we can add a GIF and many more. So let's wait for the next video and we can just